Welcome back, folks. We are over in Worthing this week. We are at Vanlife Unite. This is a new show for this year. We're currently looking for the clubhouse, I think down here, to do the early arrivals quiz. Right, I'm not very good at quizzes. Neat's amazing at them, so I'm fine. I'll just keep the scores. Right, on the way in I said that I wouldn't do too well, however, come up trumps. Look, movies, locations, easy peasy. So at the end of round one, we were 18 out of 20, so we're sitting in third.
Yes.
And the final scores are in. We are down here with the Mental Marshals. We came third from last, but we still didn't win, even though there was a prize for third from last, because the way it worked out, we actually didn't end up third from last, or something like that. But yeah, it was a good night though. Really, really good quiz. Great fun. Lots of great people. Yeah, right, we're going to head back to the van now. We need to have some food and then probably going to have to get some sleep. Right guys, I've finished work for the day and now we're out looking around at some vans. We've got this beast. Oh, it'd be amazing to have one of those. That's for the future though. Right, let's see what else we've got. Looked in this one yesterday, this was quite interesting. Double-sided. Door on either side. Man's got a good sound system, which is always nice as well. Guard dog's doing his job. Always awake. Cute little thing. Right, let's come around a bit more. And there's a band playing over the far side in the distance. I'm not sure if the microphone's picking them up. And then we've got loads more vans over the back here. And it looks like some sort of talk going on. Not sure about that, but okay. But that's over there. Look who's arrived. Oz. And Harry. And of course, Lauren. Right, we're going to do hellos and we're going to get them parked up. The weather is trying to stop play. We had a bit of a dumping just a moment ago, but it's left us for a minute. Anyway, food time. Pork chops tonight. Not quite sure what else we're having with the pork chops, but definitely pork chops. Any advance on pork chops?
We'll have that with it.
Looks like that's what we're getting then. Change of plan, we are going with perfect mash. Gotta be buttery. And I'm sure something else we can put with it, probably a bit of veg. Right, big batch once it's cooked. Okay, dinner is pretty much served. Pork steaks, beans, and good old mash. Can't go wrong with that. We're going to tuck in while it's still nice and warm.
I contacted GGR, they said they'll send me two new
They've had a few different bands on today, and you might be able to hear in the background. A little bit different. We're out with Harry and Lauren and Oz, and let's go on shopping. Been recommending Harry some hats.
I've got the C word on there, so I wouldn't advise it.
Yeah, we'll give that a miss.
I was going to get, you get Campervan?
We didn't.
No,
we haven't.
There's one coming up soon. I was going to get that duck on it. I was going to get some shorts and a shirt and then the hat.
Full duckified.
Yeah, but I've never ever done fancy dress or anything. I've never done it, so I thought I'd be, because I usually just wear black.
I'd never noticed. So this is what Harry's thinking of getting. With shorts and a t-shirt to match. These guys are getting really popular at the shows now. So much so, he's even got a trailer with him as well now to do what appears to be a second studio. They're good things. Not sure I'm going to go for a tattoo anytime soon though. Harry's claiming he's mastered the Bocking Bronco.
I'm pretty good, but I need a few more beers, I think.
A few more beers first.
I might give it a go, yeah.
Alright, we're going to hold him to that.
Battle of the siblings.
Oh, that sounds good, yeah. So, it'd be Harry versus Harry's sister. Harry said it's Battle of the Siblings, so you versus him on the Bocking Bronco.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
I reckon I would win.
We're going to find out later.
Yeah. I reckon I would win.
Do you reckon?
I've ridden a lot of horses in my life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not a bull though, is it?
No, but it's all it is.
They could fill it for water if you want. Make it even more entertaining.
Can you ride in a dolphin then? Ride in a dolphin.
So you can come up with the most elegant dismount with the smallest splash. There is nothing quite like a good bit of ice cream on a nice hot summer's day. Well, there's the hot summer's day. There's the ice cream. Ooh, not quite pure coffee, but it's cappuccino. It's close enough. Wow. That is looking so good.
And we'll save the rest for later.
Let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. We're going to tuck in.
No, I don't really get approached much, but then, you know, I'm a 40-year-old man with really short legs. So, you know, it's a very small demographic of people that might be interested, and I married her. So.
Guys, we've been looking around some of the vans and we've come across a cracker here. Those of you who have been watching Vanlife channels for a while may have come across this man.
Hello.
John from Love Sundays, and we're getting the luxury of getting to actually physically see the van in person. And I must admit, the camera does not do it justice. If you do get a chance to see this van at a show, come over, have a chat with him. He's a really great guy, and what a lovely build. Well, the evening's cracking on a little bit now. We're just here chilling out with friends. Oz has got the right idea, look.
How about you go over to the big side?
We're just chilling and having a good time.
Music's a bit quiet though, turn it up.
Yeah, I've taken the opportunity between the music so that I don't end up saying, oh, I can't use that bit of content. So people have suddenly decided that they now want to start racing one another up the field.
Going on 20 YouTubers got cameras on. On your marks!
Hang on. A minute.
On your marks!
You might not want to stand there, they'll run straight through you.
Get set!
No, wait, someone else is shouting it.
Full start! Full start! On your marks! Get set! Go!
Good morning, folks. Well, it's Sunday morning. We're just having our usual healthy breakfast. And then we're going to get out the van and go around a bit more. There we go, guys. That's our time at Vanlife United come to a close. Enjoyed it and got to meet up with our friends once more. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you did enjoy the video, hit the like button, the subscribe button, notification bell to you when the next video is live. See you next video.